What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to this channel. Today we're going to talk about how we can change the folder icon in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Well, so the first thing first, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can change the folder icon, and later on I'll talk about how you can change these default icons like this PC and recycle bin and others. So to change the folder icon, I'm going to open my this PC from here, and if I open my this drive, here as you can see I have a few different folders available. So first thing first, I'm going to select this folder. I just want to change this folder icon. So to do that, just go ahead and right click on the folder and then go all the way to the properties, and from the properties just change the tab to the customize, and from the customize tab just go ahead and click on change icon under the folder icons, and here you'll get to see all the available icons for your Windows 11 computer. So you can pick any of these from here, and also if you already downloaded any icon on your computer, you can simply click on browse and you can select location and you can simply add those icons as well. So I'm going to pick an icon from here. So let's say I'm going to pick this one. So just go ahead and select this one and click on OK, then click on apply and OK. And here, as you can see, the folder icon has been changed. Well, so following the same way, you can change any of the folder icons from here. Well, so now if you want to get back to the default icon on this folder, then go ahead and right click on the folder, come to the properties and then click on customize and then click on change icon. And at the bottom, you'll get to see the restore default option. Click over here. And once you get that, click on apply and OK, and your folder icon will get back to the default one. Well, now I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can change these default icons like this PC and recycle bin. It's very easy to do. Just go ahead and click on your start menu from here and then go to the settings and click on personalization from here. Scroll down and click on themes and then scroll down again and then click on desktop icon settings, and from here you'll get to see all the available default icons. So let's say I'm gonna change this PC icon, so I'm just gonna select over here and then click on change icon, and it's gonna give you a few different available icons for your computer. So I'm just gonna change, let's say this one. I'm gonna select this one and then click OK and then click apply and OK. And here as you can see, this PC icon has been completely changed on my desktop. So guys, this is how you can easily customize or change the folder icons in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. That's all about this video. Hope you enjoyed. If you do, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one, and thank you very much for watching.